Welcome to Iceland, home of otherworldly vistas, luxurious hot springs, and over 30 active volcanoes. This replica of a traditional Viking village is a reminder of the country's rich history and Scandinavian roots. The black sands of Vestrahorn Beach were formed when hot lava flowed into the ocean during one of Iceland's many eruptions. Here, we find ourselves at Glacier Lagoon. Millennia ago, glaciers carved their way across the island, forming many of Iceland's geographic features, including this lake. The still blue waters are populated with icebergs from the surrounding glaciers. Rent a paddleboard to get a closer look. Icelandic horses are smaller and stronger than their European cousins. These hardy, pony-sized horses were brought to the island by Vikings in the 10th century and are perfectly adapted to their rugged environment. The Golden Circle is a 160-mile route encompassing some of Iceland's most iconic sites. Exploring this region on horseback is not only breathtaking, but it gives a sense of how the land was first seen by Norse settlers. This is Thingvellir National Park, where you'll find the clearest water in the world. When the glaciers retreated 12,000 years ago, glacial meltwater stayed behind. Thingvellir is home to the Silfra fissure, where the European and North American tectonic plates meet. The plates have been drifting apart 2 centimeters per year. Here you can literally scuba dive between continents. Heading north, we take to the skies. From the air, it's possible to see lakes, rivers, and mountains that would otherwise be inaccessible. With the greatest volume of any waterfall in Europe, Voss is a site unlike any other. It is fed by a nearby glacier, whose sediment colors the fall's water a grayish white. We end our trip at the Mývatn Nature Baths. This mineral-rich volcanic lake is naturally heated by underground geothermal springs. Epic views, remote terrain, and a history of appealing to explorers, Iceland is a destination worthy of any traveler seeking genuine adventure.